How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome to Facebook Ads for Beginners. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to add a admin to your Facebook Business Manager. And the reason why you want to do this is because, one, it's just as a backup. So for whatever reason your account might be banned, at least you'll have access through your second admin account. So I recommend setting up someone you trust, like maybe your mum or your dad or your girlfriend or your boyfriend or whatever. They're gonna have full admin access to your account, so it's gotta be someone you trust. And number two, the reason why we set it up is because you might be getting someone else to run your ads for you. You might be using an agency, you might be contacting someone like me and they need access to your Facebook Business Manager. So I'm gonna show you how to give someone else admin access to your Business Manager. So before I get into it, guys, if you've been following along, you've watched any of my videos, you like the content I put out, hit that subscribe button for us. It really helps my channel grow. Feel free to share this video with a friend and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer it, and let's jump into today's video. Look, guys, if you're adding a admin to your Business Manager, I'm going to assume that you're already set up, ready to go. You're already running ads. You've already got the Business Manager set up. Everything's already done. All you want to do is add an admin to your Business Manager. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. Your account should look something like this. You want to scroll over to the lines and find business settings. It can be here, it can be down here, it can be down here on the left-hand side. There's 1,000 different places you can find it, but find the business settings section, click that, and it should come up right at the very top, people. If not, it might come like that. Just go to the little drop-down box, go to people, and it's simple as going add. You want to type in the person's email address, give them full access. This has to be their email address that they've used to create a business manager, or their email address that they've used to sign into Facebook every day. It can't be just like a work email address or something like that. It's going to be the same email address they use to access their Facebook account. So type that in there, click admin access, and then simply go next and follow the prompts. Let's just do a dummy one for you. So type in the email address, select next. Here you can add them to whatever you need them to add them to. If you're just adding someone purely as a backup, I would just go invite and just leave all this blank for now. You can always add this later on, but if you're adding someone because they're going to take control of your ads, they're going to run, ads for your business, you need to come down here, you need to select the ad accounts that you want to add them to, select the ad account, give them full permissions there. Catalogs, you can add the catalog, select the catalog, full permissions. Wouldn't worry about apps because you're probably not going to have one. Pixels, I would select the pixel, and again, full control. Instagram accounts, you can do that as well. Select Instagram account, full control, and then invite on the last page. Very quickly, guys, that's how you add a admin to your Business Manager. So if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, but I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.